Hello,
Hello,
Simon. Good afternoon.
afternoon teacher.
How are you?
I happy
You're happy? Why are you happy?
because my dad is over here. My mom is go to Dalat already.
Where is mommy?
Go to Dalat already.
Go to the
Dalat.
what Dala? Is it a place in Vietnam? Dala?
No, go to Saigon.
Go to Shar. What? Where is mommy?
Go to Saigon already.
Siargao? What is
Saigon.
Siargao? So mommy is not home.
Yes.
Mommy went somewhere. Oh, so you're happy because your daddy is over there. Okay. What did you do today, Simon?
I play.
You play. What did you play?
I play. I play. I play with my grandma.
You play with your grandma? That's so sweet. What did you play with grandma?
Play a
Replay?
toy.
What did
A toy.
a toy? Alright, that's why you're happy because you also play with grandma.
Yes.
When is mommy coming home? When is mommy coming back? You don't know?
No.
You
Yes.
don't know when is mommy's coming back? Okay, okay. Did you go to school today?
No.
You didn't go to school?
Tomorrow.
Only tomorrow. But tomorrow is Saturday. Do you go to school on Saturday?
Yes.
Oh, what will you do at school tomorrow?
I go to school.
You're just going to go to school. What are
Yes.
you going to do at school?
Learning.
Learn. Did you say learn?
Yes.
Yeah, you can say I will learn. You can say I will learn to school tomorrow.
I will learn to school tomorrow.
I will learn to school. I will learn at school. I will learn at school. Teacher is confused. Okay, so Simon, let's start our class. Are you ready?
Yes.
You're very attentive because daddy is over there. Okay, so please listen to teacher and
On the speed.
eyes on my screen. Eyes on your screen. Okay? You look at the screen and focus in the class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Such a good boy. Oh, look at the emoji, Simon. It looks like Simon. You don't have a teeth. One tooth here. Smile.
It's
Your
not
your one
me.
tooth is missing.
Oh,
It's okay. Teacher's here. Okay. Now look at the picture, Simon. What do you see in the picture?
I can see a fish.
Only one?
Three.
Okay, what will you say? I can see.
I can see a fish.
I can see three fish.
I can see three fish.
Ah, three fish because they're the same type of fish. So we can just say fish. Okay?
Fish.
Not
Okay.
fishes. Can you hear the noise? My dog
Yes,
is
yes,
barking.
yes,
Ow, ow,
yes.
ow. You can hear it?
No,
No?
no.
My dog is like this. Ow, ow, ow. He's barking. He's so noisy.
I can see. I can hear.
No, you cannot see it. It's so dark na. Look. Can you see it? Do you see anything? It's almost dark outside my house. My mom, you can see someone?
Yes.
My mommy is outside. Someone's climbing the tree. You can see it?
Yes.
They're cutting the tree. They're cutting the
Ah,
tree.
I can see a dog.
You can see it?
Yes.
Oh, they're cutting the tree. That's my favorite tree. Ah, that's a durian. Do you know durian? Durian
No.
tree? Durian fruit? It's a fruit.
What's a green one? Durian.
Durian.
What's a
Ay.
green?
Yes.
Oh, they're cutting the durian tree. Oh no. Okay, okay. So let's read the title, Simon. What is the title?
Fish is swim.
Again, what is this?
Can.
Can. Very good. One more time. What is the title?
Fish can swim.
Very good. Fish can swim. Can fish swim, Simon?
Yes.
You say yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
What about Simon? Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Very good. Yes, I can. That's the right answer. Very good. So before that, let's sing a song. Let's sing it together. Teacher want to sing with you. No? Okay, only
No,
Simon.
no. Look at the big cow. I look at the big thing. Bow, bow. Look at the big dog. Moo, moo. Ik, bow, bow.
Mumu ik ik bow. Mumu oink oink bow wow. One more time. Again in 3, 2, 1, go. You
Moo,
sing. Simon only. Simon.
moo, moo. Look at the big cow. I look at the big thing. Bow, bow. Look at the big dog. Moo, moo. Oink, bow, wow.
Oh, very good. Mumu ik ik. Mumu oink oink bow wow. Good job. Okay, now let's learn some words. Again, are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
ready.
Oh, very good. Now let's learn the first word, Simon. What is it?
It's a fish.
Very good. It's a fish. What's the color of the fish, Simon? Look at the fish.
It's a fish. It's color yellow and blue.
Okay, you can say the fish is
The fish is blue
and
and a blue and yellow.
okay, one more time. Can you read the sentence?
It's a fish. The fish is blue and yellow.
And yellow. Okay. What can you say about the fish, Simon? Look at the fish. What can you say about the fish? Is it pretty or not?
Now,
It's not pretty? Look,
yes.
the color is very beautiful. I, I, oh, look at the fish. Do you like fish, Simon?
Yes.
Do you have
Yes,
fish at home?
yes, but they die already.
They're dead already. Why?
Because I'm caring, not give a fish eat.
You didn't give food.
Yes.
You didn't give them food. That's why they died. Oh no. If you want to keep some animals at home, you should give it food, okay? Because they're like us, they're always hungry. Oh. What about you, Simon? Are you hungry?
No.
Ow. But but if you're hungry, you need to eat, right?
Yes.
Oh, the same for the fish. If they are hungry, they need to eat also. Okay? So you should give them food so they're not going to die. What if you're not going to eat, Simon? What will happen to you?
Die.
Oh, so you should give them food and you should also eat, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now let's say fish 3 times. Fish, fish, fish.
Fish, fish, fish.
Again, Simon, what can fish do?
Fish can swim.
Very good. Oh, I'm just so happy. Okay, now let's read a sentence, please.
I can see a fish.
Okay, very good. Can you circle the fish, Simon? Where is the fish? Moo, moo. Look at that big cow. Oink, oink. Look at that big, big bow wow. Look at that big dog. Moo, moo. Oink, oink. Bow wow.
Teacher, arise.
Oh, very good. You're done. Now again,
Not
who can see a
arise.
fish?
Now arise. Eraser.
Eraser? You want to erase it?
Yes.
You say, teacher, please erase it.
Teacher, please erase this.
Okay. You want to circle it again?
Yes.
Okay, you can circle it again. What are you doing?
Arise.
No!
Eraser.
That's so
Eraser.
small. Okay, I'll make it bigger.
No. Eraser.
Please, you have to say please. Please, teacher.
Please, teacher.
Okay. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. A little bigger. Done?
Not there.
Okay. Not yet. Moo moo. Look at the big cow. Oink oink. Look at the big
Teacher,
bow wow. Yes.
I can circle it.
You can't or you can?
Can't.
You can't? Do you want me to help you? I'll circle it. You can still do it. Oh, very good. Now, Simon, again, who can see a fish? Who? Oh, who can see
Cindy.
a complete it? Cindy can. Cindy can see a fish. Again, who can see a fish?
Cindy
Can see a fish.
can see a fish.
Okay, Cindy can see a fish. Okay, next word, Simon, is what is that? Bird. Say it again.
Bird.
B bird. B
Bird.
b and then RD. B what's wrong with your lips? You hurt your lips? Me too. I have it here.
Yeah.
It's ouch. Ouch. My lips.
My lip is not out.
It's okay. Your lips is okay.
Yes.
Okay. I thought you hurt your lips. Okay, again, let's say bird.
Bird.
Okay, very good. Now look, Simon, what animal is it?
It's a bird.
Okay, it's a bird. That's right. Now, what color is the bird? I think this is a seagull. I think this bird called a seagull. Do you know a seagull?
No.
It looks like this. The bird that you can see in the picture is a seagull. Again, what color is the bird, Simon? The bird. Hmm. What is the color of the bird?
The bird is color black and white.
Okay, you don't need to add the color. Okay, again, can you read a sentence, Simon, please?
It's a bird. The bird is white and black.
Black and black?
White and black.
Okay, white and black. What about birds, Simon? Do you like birds?
No.
You don't like birds? Why?
Because bird no cute.
Bird is not cute.
Yes.
Then what animal is cute, Simon? What animal is cute?
Oh, cow.
Cow. Yes. Cows are cute, right? It looks like Simon.
Mm.
Okay, I have a question, Simon. If fish can swim, what about birds? What can bird do?
Bird can fly.
Oh, very good. Bird can fly. That is correct. Okay, now let's say bird three times, Simon. Bird, bird, bird.
Bird, bird, bird.
What are you doing, Simon? Okay, let's read the sentence. I.
Teacher, wait for me.
Okay.
Mommy.
Go to the toilet.
Now,
Huh?
sorry.
Okay, I'll wait for him, okay? Teacher will wait here. Are you done?
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Yes. Okay, let's read the sentence, Simon. Can you read, please?
Can see a bird.
Okay, can you circle the bird, please? Where is the bird?
Wait for me. I circle it.
Okay. Wow, you're so polite. You have to say, please wait for me. I will circle it.
Wait for me. I can circle it.
Oh, you can circle it. Okay, you can circle the. Ah, what are you using? What is that?
I circle a small one.
Oh, ah, do I have that one? I have it also. Oh, I can do that also. Dun-dun-dun. I found it. Okay, now Simon, who can see a bird?
Timmy is
Timmy can.
Timmy can, Timmy can see a bird.
Very good. Timmy can see a bird. And we can also see the bird, right? Simon and teacher. Okay, now this time, Simon, let's search the animals. You take all the birds and the fish. Tick, tick, tick. No, not like that. Not like that.
How's
Ah,
that?
it's gone. Okay, you take all the birds and the fish. All the animals that you can see in the picture. But in the picture, you can only see fish and birds. Okay, one more. Done? No more?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Bird, bird, fish, fish. Bird, fish, bird. Okay, good job, Simon. High five. One, two, three, four, five. Very good. Okay, now this time, Simon, let's
Yeah, I
read.
have a present for you.
Huh?
I have a present for you.
Okay, let me see. Can I see? Can I see it?
Wait for me.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I love you. I love you too. I love you, Simon. I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you so much. To the moon and back to the moon. Okay, now let's read and talk. Simon, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will be Timmy and you will be Cindy. Okay?
Sure.
Where are we?
We are at the beach.
Very good. What can you see?
I can see a fish.
Yes, very good. We can see a fish.
Anh
A
có tô,
fish.
nó không chấm mà. Thế nào? Em thích ăn món ăn gì ở nhà Zoom? Em học cái đã tí em thích
What's
em thích mua
happening?
sô cô la, sô
What
cô
are you
la.
talking about?
Không có. Đợt trước có mà. Bây giờ
Okay, wait
hết
for a
rồi.
while. Okay, next. What can fish do? Is that is that Grandma Simon?
Yes.
Oh, Grandma. Grandma, you and Grandma played toys earlier, right?
Yes.
Ah, okay. But you have two grandmas, right? How many grandmas do you have?
One.
Ah, is that mommy's mom or daddy's mom?
Mommy, mom.
Ah, mommy's
Little.
mom. What is that? You're going to kill me? Don't
No.
kill me, Simon. No. Okay, let's have this one. What can fish do?
Fish can swim.
Okay, that's correct. I this one. The last one. I. Okay, you're going to read the last one. What?
What can you see? I can see a bird.
I, okay. Now let's switch. You will be Timmy, I will be Cindy. Okay, let's start. Go.
Where are we? We
We are
are
at
at
the beach.
beach. What can you see? I can see
I can see a fish.
fish.
Your turn. You go.
What can you see?
Fish can swim. Fish can swim. What can you see? I can see a bird. Again. What can you see? Wala, quick one. Okay. So this time, Simon, let's play some games. Game time, game time, game time. Let's go, 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 go. Let's go, 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 go. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now look at the picture, Simon. Can you guess what animal is it?
It's a fish.
It's a. What's happening? It's a fish. Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, let me write it. It's a fish. Okay, again, what animal is this?
It is a fish.
And what can fish do?
Fish can be. Fish can swim.
Okay, very good. Fish can swim. Let's see. Let's see if it's a fish in 3, 2, 1.
Wait for me.
It's not a fish.
Wait for me. My dad is go to home already.
My dad is home already.
My dad is home already.
Why? Where did dad go? Where did he go?
Go. He will go to.
Okay, Gaia. Yeah, you have to be good because daddy's home already. Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, done? 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 It's okay now? Okay, so you have to behave. You have to be good because daddy's home. Okay, okay. Okay, that's correct, Simon. This is a fish. Good job. Okay, what about this one, Simon? What animal do you see?
I can see a bird.
Okay, or what is it?
God.
What is it? Okay, again, Simon, what is it?
It's a bird.
Very good. Okay, that is correct. It's a bird. Now let's trace this one, Simon. Go, go, go. I can.
Bố nhìn con chưa?
Hả?
Bố nhìn con chưa?
Boarding gun chua. What is
Không
that?
ngoan không?
Hả?
Cái này mình có ra đây ngồi.
Done? Oh, we have to read a sentence first.
Fish can swim.
I can see. This one first. I can see.
Teacher, my pencil is not measured. Like this.
It's gone. Okay, you can find another one. There's another pen in there that's not going to be gone. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so trace it now. Oh, very good. I'll read a sentence first.
I can see a bird.
Very good. What about this one?
Fish can swim.
Okay, and then trace it. Where is the fish? Okay, good job, Simon. I think that's it for tonight. Let's review the words. Can you read?
I can do it.
And then?
Fish. Bird.
Okay, very good. What about the sentences?
I can do it. I can see a fish. I can swim.
Ah, fish.
Fish can swim.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Hooray! Very good, Simon. So I think that's it for tonight. This afternoon. It's not afternoon anymore here. It's already evening. Bye, Simon. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye. Thank you.